Hey, what's going on YouTube? In this video, Nissan Titan headliner console coming up. So in the last few videos, we have been doing some repairs to this 2008 Nissan Titan so we can get ready to sell it. And in this video, we are replacing the console in the headliner. So the console and the headliner here in this truck has pretty much disintegrated. It's broken into several pieces, and we grabbed one off from eBay so that we can go ahead and replace this. It shouldn't be too hard to replace. It looks like there's a couple of screws in it, and I think there's some clips back here judging on the new one. We got a new one off from eBay, and we'll get that installed really quick. We're gonna start with removing the old pieces here. As it breaks apart even more. I'm not surprised. All right, there's a couple of clips in here that did not come out. Let's see if we can get those out without launching something into my eye. Now the problem is the plastic is still inside the clip, keeping the clip from collapsing for me to pull it out. All right, I got the back two clips out. Got to use a hook to get the plastic out so that the metal clips can kind of pinch in to release. Okay, with a little bit of work, I was able to get the 4 clips out. I was trying to avoid from pushing them in there because I didn't want something rattling around in here. One of them, it went in and then went to the side, and now I can't get it. So we got to remove the other 3 screws here. There's one up here in the front, there's 2 in the middle, and then there's 2 in the back, which I already removed. Now we're getting ready to put the new one up, but the lighting fixture up top here had different wires. I probably could have just swapped out this short piece here, but I wasn't for sure that it was going to work properly. So I just swapped this whole end piece out to make sure. All right, the 4 clips are in. And now we'll put in the 5 screws very carefully, hopefully. All right, and then are they, nope. They must be in, yep, right here. And then we'll have 2 in the back here. All right, now just make sure that everything opens and closes. And the light works. All right, so the hardest part in this was getting those old clips out, but the rest of it was really easy, not a big deal at all. So the only thing that we have left that we're going to try and do is try and change out the rear shock absorbers. The nuts look like they might be a little stripped. I'm going to crawl underneath there in the next video and see if we might be able to get those loose. So if I am able to get those loose, there will be a video on it. If not, then I'm not going to worry about it. I'll let the next owner worry about it. So I guess that's it for this one. And until the next project, we will catch you on the next one. See ya.